So this is just a mnemonic for memorizing this Morse code chart. So you start here, go TEM, them, tem, and you say nah, IOG, K, don't worry, are you stupid, dash, period, Queen Zendaya, you can x-ray, but just pause. And you have a pause here, listen, then a dash as she's listening, for villains' horses. And then the bottom, it's just numbers. You go 0, 9, 8, 7, 6. And then the right side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the left, it's going to be the second, fourth, and eighth number that are pointing towards the middle. The first one is going to just be pointing to left and right. It's same on the right side. The second, fourth, and eighth number are going to be pointing towards the middle, and the last two are going to just be out both ways.